You are in for a treat. We are in the coveted Laguna Beach area on the west end of Panama City Beach, and we have this adorable home to show you on Placido. It not only is set up for a vacation rental, it could also be your personal beach retreat or your primary residence. Let's go check it out. And oh, there's a carriage house too.
Can you take me
Adorable outdoor space. You've got a pool for relaxing, a fire pit area, plenty of place to unwind at the grill, and there's even a little carriage house behind. Right off the back porch is a cozy little breakfast nook. It flows seamlessly into this very updated coastal chic kitchen. I love the quartz countertops, the cabinetry, the updated appliances, and then it goes very nicely into the living room space. A cozy fireplace, lots of that natural light flowing in from that Florida sunshine.
there in your eyes? Can you take me higher?
How cute is this little nook with all the great natural light flowing in? This bedroom has plenty of space and lots of fine details. We are obsessed with the details of this bathroom off the primary suite upstairs. It's got a deep bathtub, a waterfall shower, and gorgeous upgrades. And it goes very nicely into the bedroom.
Can you take me higher?
Have you seen this adorable little carriage house behind the property? It has everything you need. Fully stocked, a little fridge, sitting area, adorable decor.
Can you take me higher?
If you like what you saw today, look at the links below. There you're going to find more information and who to contact if you want to set up a showing. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.